If your diesel's feeling sluggish or noisy, it might be turbo time. Let's dive in and get that boost back. Ever wondered what makes your diesel roar? It's the turbocharger, forcing more air into the engine for extra power and efficiency. But what happens when it goes bad? First up, excessive smoke. If your truck's puffing like a factory chimney, it might be a clogged air filter or turbo damage. Check for dirt and replace that filter if needed. Lost some oomph? A power drop can mean air intake restrictions or leaks. Inspect hoses and intercooler for damage or soot buildup. Hear a weird whine or grind? That's usually worn bearings or foreign object damage. Time to check the turbo housing for cracks or wear. Oil leaks got you down? Look for blockages in the oil return line or increased crankcase pressure. Ensure proper oil flow and use high-quality lubricants. Got tools? Use a diagnostic tester to check sensor readings and perform a boost leak test. Clean or replace any damaged parts and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installation. Finally, keep it running smooth with regular maintenance. Change oil, replace air filters, and avoid over-revving a cold engine. With these tips, your diesel turbocharger will stay in top shape, boosting performance and longevity.